Welcome to my channel. Today I've got a synthetic unit that I have been wanting for a really long time. It's Aaliyah by Outre. Welcome back. Okay, so I got a little bit of a trendy wig. I have been wanting her for a while. It's Aaliyah by Outre. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing her, and I'm going to see what she looks like. I've not seen her, okay, yet. I got her in the color Cinnamon Mocha, and I am excited to see her. I know she's kind of a trendy wig right now. Well, they're going out of trend a little bit. These guys go in and out of trend so fast, these wigs, that I can hardly keep up. But, oh my gosh. Okay. I dropped everything. So I'm back. She's supposed to come with baby hairs, and I don't really wear baby hair, but I want to see what they look like before I naysay them. Because she is supposed to come with a pre-plucked part and transparent lace. And I'll show you the stock card here in a minute as soon as I get it out. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay. All right. So, oh, she's still trying to fall off my little table that I have. And I have to have the tiniest little table because it has to fit right up here by the camera. Well, I use my phone. And, yeah, so, okay, here is the stock card for Aaliyah. All right. It says, what does it say? It says she has HD transparent lace. All right. She's got the high-tex heat fibers, so she's going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees, baby hairs included, pre-attached elastic band. I have a big head. We're going to see if that fits. And she's a lace front with comfort fit ear tabs. Okay. All right. She says no plucking required. We're going to see. So let's get her out here. Here is the lace. Okay. All right. Oh, my goodness. That matches my skin almost perfectly. I'm a little lighter skinned, but I mean, I'm a a melanin girl, but this matches. Melatonin is the stuff you take to go to sleep. Shh. Okay. So anyway, let's see her parting space. Oh, that's not bad. I mean, I've seen wider. I may have to pluck that. Okay. Oh, I am Butterfingers. All right. She comes with 2 combs, it looks like, in the front. Can you see those? There you go. And it comes with a comb in the back. She does also, in addition to, okay, it's out. Hang on. You know, I am batch recording today, so I'm not going to put this girl all the way on my head, but I tell you what, if I had one wig that did not have this buckled, I had, you know, a lot of wigs. Oh, I'm having some issues, you guys. I've had a long day. I usually only record, I have trigeminal neuralgia, so I usually record on days that I'm feeling well and that my medicine is really working. She also comes, oh, this is a lot looser than Ophelia was. I didn't like that about Ophelia, so I'm not sure how to put that on. I think what we do is we put on the band from what I've seen other wig reviewers do, and then we flip. That didn't work out. Oh, it's because I got to put the wig on first. Hang on. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let's start over. I tell you what, I might have to go have a break and eat something. Seriously. Okay. Let's get that on, and I'm going to take the back of the wig because you can't just flip it. And I'm going to put it on my head, attach the combs into the back of the band. That's right. And flip. Good Lord, you think I would know what I'm supposed to do of how many reviews I watch? Ugh, but like, it's okay. We're going to get it. We are going to get it. I am not going to give up. All right. Never give up, never surrender. I love Buzz Lightyear. Okay. I am a bit of a Disney file. So, ooh, you guys. Oh. Oh, look at that color. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to use my brush. Got a paddle brush here. Oh. You guys, look at that color. And I didn't think that parting space was going to be, that's not bad. Actually, once I got it on, back here is a little thick, but the front is good. The front looks pretty good. All right, so let's see what this hairline looks like. All right, it says she's got baby hairs, and I don't know where to find them. They're supposed to be up in the front here. Oh, yeah, she does. They might not be bad for me. Like, I had long wispies when I had bio hair. I did have long wispy ones. Okay. All right. I am going to do a lace cutting at some point. So I think I'm actually going to cut this lace off camera and get her a little combed, better than what I've got her. And I am going to be right back. All right, so I'm back. I don't know if I remember to mention this, but I got her in the color DRFF 2 Cinnamon Mocha. And she looks like my bio hair. This color, yeah. Can you see that parting up there? See? I'll show you how she lays on the side. Now, you'd have to tack her down if you wanted to wear her this way. I think if I had a wig grip on, that would help take care of a lot of that, but I would still probably bold hold her down at least a little bit. But if you did that, you would have this. Do you understand? Or even, if I can get on that back there, that. And I have a really short forehead, and this girl fits me almost perfectly right around there. I would just have to lay her down, and I'm not going to do that today, but yeah, same thing on this side. Okay. I am not a wig guru, so I don't really cut wigs. Style them and do all that stuff with them. I am just a basic wig wearer, okay? I do know a few things, but just basic stuff. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. And if you could get those laid down, look at that. Look, it looks like your hair. It looks like my hair. And then this lace, did you see that? Like, that's my color. That's like my color. All I'd have to do is put a little concealer, run it by the hair root to make those hairs kind of blend into what looks like your scalp. I'd have to lay this piece down because this piece is flapping. But a little bolt hold there just to lay this piece, or you know what I like to use, because I am so basic and I am not versed in all of those things. I have wig like tape. I do. So, and it's not shiny. So I could maybe even run a strip like that and just run her down from here to here to keep her down right there a little bit, and then just bolt hold that right at the edge of this seam. Anyway, let's get going. I'm going to show you how long she is with all the hair. Okay, wait a minute. This is all the hair pulled to the front end. So let's see how long she's. Okay, so she goes down. Yeah, she goes down pretty far, almost to my belly bulge. That's right here. So I like food. Okay, so anyway, I'm 5'4", and this is where she falls on me in the front. Okay, so yeah, holy cats, I really, really like her. Oh my God, I just pulled her back like I used to wear my hair. And she went there. So she did go there for me, with the exception of right here. Again, I would adhere that probably with wig tape because, and bolt hold, but, I'm excited to wear her. I'm gonna dress up and wear her somewhere nice after quarantine, obviously, or now, as long as they're all wearing masks. I'm okay with that. But yeah, you guys, go get this wig. She's absolutely amazing. Get it in the color that's for you. She comes in a lot of different colors. There's 1B2, 613, DRFF2 with the cherry red, my cinnamon mocha, DRFF4 with golden honey, hazelnut honey, and strawberry gold. She comes in all the colors that are, you know, sort of natural, but just maybe dyed a little, highlighted. I have red highlights naturally in my hair. My mom's a redhead, so I'm in love with her. Okay, so anyway, if you would like to see a wig that I haven't reviewed, please post that down in the comment section. If you'd like to see more reviews like this, hit the thumbs up button and then the subscribe button, okay? And then ring that little notification bell. That way you're notified the next time I upload a video. And I can't get over this girl, all right? Go get her. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.